Okay, this video will get you started on Ixl level J P3, which is translations. And they start off very simple and then they get a little trickier as we go. So the first one says graph the image of M, which is -2, -1, after a translation of 7 units to the right. So you remember from our Quizlet that a translation is just a slide in one direction. They're telling us the direction, which is 7 units to the right. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I've created that translation. Again, they're asking me to go from 4, 9 here at point Z. After a translation 4 units to the right, I'm just going to add 4 to that, or sorry, 5 to the 4 that's there. That'll take me over to 9, or you can count them one spot at a time if that works. Let's move on to some more advanced ones here. Okay, so I skipped ahead to some of the more involved ones here. And so now we're being asked to do more than one thing. We're asked to graph the image of point N, 6, 2, after a translation of 7 units to the left and 5 units up. So we need to begin by moving 7 units to the left. That takes us over to -1 from 6. And then up 5 units right up there at 7. Okay, I'm going to pause again to try to get to the more complicated ones that you'll see after a smart score of 60 or so. Okay, so here we are. We're at a smart score of 72, so now they're starting to get a little bit more complicated, but still not too bad. Starting at -3, 6, we're going to move 9 units to the right, which I happen to know -3 plus 9 is 6. And then 9 units down, so from +6 down to -3. Again, you can count the points. You don't have to do it in your head the way I just did. This one's a little too easy, but we'll do it anyway. We're at 5. We're going to go up 5. Let's see how many. It takes probably one more question to get to 80. We're starting at this point right here, and we are asked to move 8 units up, which is not hard to do. There we are.